make sure that the volume is all the way here. Give me a second. Okay, number 6 of various equations. Now, there's more than one way I could do this. So I could start by butterflying this. That's one method I could do. So I could take 2x times x plus 3, subtract 4 times x minus 2, and I push the two denominators together, x minus 2 and x plus 3. And what I recognize is when I look at these two quantities, if I expanded this, I would get x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. This is the same as this. When you combine these two middles, you end up with positive 1x. Remember, when you're working with equations, rational equations, when the denominators are the same, we get to cross out the denominators. We only have to solve the numerators. So I have 2x squared plus 6x minus 4x, be careful with that negative, plus 8 equals 4x plus 12. 2x squared plus 2x plus 8. And now I'm going to move everything to the left-hand side where the x squared is located. So I'm going to subtract 4x and subtract a 12. Nothing's left on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, I have 2x squared minus 2x minus 4. And I recognize I can factor out a 2. 1x squared minus 1x minus 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I can either try to factor and solve, if possible, or I can use the quadratic formula. It really is up to your choice. What multiplies equal negative 2 and combines to give you negative 1. There are different signs, so that would be negative 2 and positive 1 multiplies and combines. So this factors into x minus 2 and x plus 1. Set each one of these quantities equal to 0. Now, why don't I have to set this quantity equal to 0? Because it has no x to solve for. So x minus 2 equals 0, that means x equals 2. X plus 1 equals 0, it means x equals negative 1. It doesn't mean these two are automatically answered. I need to come back to the beginning. X equals 2, x equals negative 1. Let's check to make sure here. So if I plug in 2, I'm in trouble because 2 minus 2 is 0. Negative 1 and negative 2 is not 0. Negative 1 and 3 is not 0. Negative 1 squared, and I can grab a graphing calculator to do this a little bit quicker. When I plug it in, make sure I'm using parentheses. Negative 1 squared plus negative 1 minus 6 equals negative 6. It's not 0. It means the only answer I have for number 6 is negative 1.